This photo right here, shot on a phone at 200 megapixels. Zoom in this far and it's still crazy sharp. Now look at this, also 200 MP, but from the telephoto lens. Same story, even deep zoom holds detail. 200 MP on phones isn't new anymore, but here's the twist. Both shots came from a compact 6.32-inch OPPO, and that leads us to today's star, the OPPO Find X9S Pro, a true flagship, packing dual 200 megapixel cameras into a slim, lightweight body. That combo? Rare. If you want a sleek Android phone with serious camera power, this might be it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about the lightweight Find X9S Pro. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. This version brings a stunning cyan finish. The frame, the AG glass back, even the case all match. It looks clean, fresh, premium. The camera module, called the Inspiration Window, uses OPPO's wind-riding light design. As you tilt it, light flows across like waves, subtle but super eye-catching. Flip it over, the display is just as refined. Ultra-slim bezels, only 1.1 millimeters. The 6.32-inch screen feels bigger than it is, and those smooth corners, you notice them every time. It's thin, too. 8.6 millimeters and 200 grams for this version. Others are slightly lighter. All glass, all sleek. Now here's the shocker. Inside this slim body is a 7,025 mAh battery, bigger than many large phones. I've been using it daily. Photos, scrolling, everything. One charge easily lasts all day. No stress. Honestly, it outlasts some bigger flagships, and it's so light you barely feel it in your pocket. But yeah, you're probably wondering, can something this slim really deliver pro-level cameras? Short answer, yes, and then some. Let's break it down. You get two massive 200 megapixel sensors, main and telephoto, plus a second-gen multispectral lens for better color. That small 3.2 megapixel sensor, it fixes color temperature in tricky lighting. For example, inside a warm-lit store, colors look way more natural here than on another Ultra phone. Blues stay true, reds pop more. Big difference. And no, this isn't just 200 MP for marketing. You actually see the upgrade. First thing I noticed was speed. Shooting and saving 200 MP photos, main or telephoto, is now super fast, even in Hasselblad Ultra Clear mode. Then there's a new feature, combining shots from both cameras into one image. Two perspectives, one photo. Still sharp when zoomed in, perfect for social posts. And here's where 200 MP really shines. Capturing the moment matters more than framing it perfectly. I saw a kitten in the park. Couldn't get close, so I used the telephoto, snapped a 200 MP shot. Later, I cropped in heavily, still sharp. That flexibility? Huge. Another upgrade, 8K photos at all focal lengths, not just native, also cropped zoom. I tested it by the lake, different angles, max detail. Most phones lose sharpness when cropping. This one holds up. At 2x, you can clearly see fine details like ropes on a boat. At 5.6x, no weird sharpening, just clean, natural results. So yeah, it may not say Ultra, but OPPO's new high-res cropping tech seriously boosts quality across the most used zoom levels. And it doesn't stop there. OPPO added 9 new master mode film styles on the Find X9S Pro, and they look shockingly close to real camera output. Warm portraits? Beautiful. Sunny landscapes? Even better. Honestly, these could become your everyday go-to. One standout is the Ricoh Rich style. It gives you that bright, cool daylight vibe, perfect for cloudy days when photos usually look dull. Switch it on, and suddenly your shots pop. There's also a black and white contrast style. perfect for street photography. Strong light, deep shadows, textured scenes. It brings out emotion and story. The results feel raw and full of character. Master mode was already solid. I've always liked it. But now, I keep going back to hot light and rich. It almost removes weather limits. Cloudy day? Doesn't matter. You still get that cinematic, film-like look. And with adjustable settings like soft light intensity, it's just more fun to shoot. Once people start using this phone, you'll see custom styles everywhere online. And here's the cool part. You can copy them instantly. Open the camera and the phone detects settings from a post, then lets you apply them in one tap. Super easy. And it's not just photos. Video is strong too. The upgraded Pro Video mode now supports 3D LUTs with real-time preview while recording. You also get flat log and built-in color profiles for editing flexibility. Add your own LUTs and your videos get a unique look. Personally, I love that Fujifilm tone. If you pick up the OPPO Find X9S Pro or even the Ultra, you can experiment, import LUTs, and build your own visual style. It's actually pretty fun. Now let's talk about something OPPO is known for, Color OS. Over the past year, Color OS 16 got great feedback, and this phone runs the upgraded Gold Label version. One feature I really like is the lock screen guide. I keep always on display on, but notifications, especially from WeChat, can get messy. This fixes it. Notifications turn into small capsules at the bottom, keeping your wallpaper clean. You can switch styles with a swipe, and the animations feel smooth and polished. And if you love music, you'll enjoy this. The new lock screen lyrics feature works with built-in and third-party apps. Clean, simple, right on your lock screen. So overall, OPPO nailed the positioning of the Find X9S Pro. In this compact size, the camera stands out, the battery is ahead of most, and you still get a gorgeous ultra-narrow 1.5K display with perfectly even bezels. I've used a lot of compact Android phones. Usually they compromise, battery or camera. This one doesn't. Whether it's your main phone or even a pocket camera, it delivers. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!